So here's the bucket wheel close up, just so that you get a better idea of how it tilts. So we'll just turn the handle again. There we go. So there's the vertical bucket there on his way up. He hits the slope, starts to tilt over, empties out, and then of course there's a receiver under there to catch the water and channel it away at the height at which it's tipped. And that height of water is the important thing. There we go. This one's got a little handle at the back. So the idea is that little turning handle there, that causes the rotation. But of course, it would be a massive wheel, so a simple turning handle wouldn't have been able to power such a big wheel, which might have been what? 20, 30, 40 feet maybe. Absolutely huge, absolutely huge.